Hey everybody, welcome to my brand new listing. Let's take a tour. Melanie Atkinson here, Realtor with Smith & Associates in beautiful Tampa Bay, Florida, and today I'm so excited to show you around my brand new listing in CARROLLWOOD. CARROLLWOOD is a wonderful suburb of Tampa that I absolutely love because of its central location. This particular home is located in the heart of CARROLLWOOD, and it's only 11 miles from downtown Tampa and about 16 miles from the airport in the West Shore area. We're just minutes away from major highways here, and also we're really close to Dale Mabry Highway, which is one of the main roads throughout Tampa. You have every restaurant and shop and grocery store that you could need on that road. A lot of the houses in CARROLLWOOD were built a long time ago, so that is what makes this house unique. This house was actually built in 2015, so if you're looking for something that's newer with newer energy standards, this is a great choice for you. This house has 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, plus a den, plus a huge upstairs bonus room, so it has tons of space. It also has a 2-car garage and is situated on a large corner lot. The highlight of this home is the kitchen and the big open living space. When this house was built, the kitchen was highly upgraded. We have top-of-the-line off-white cabinets with a brown glaze that give them a nice, warm, rich look, double ovens, a beautiful cultured marble backsplash, a vented microwave, and a really nice built-in refrigerator. We also have a huge walk-in pantry. The kitchen opens up to the beautiful family room and breakfast nook area. We also have double French doors that opened up to the covered and screened patio. The main living space of this home has beautiful wood-look tile floors. There's also crown molding throughout, and also 5¼ inch baseboards. And the shiplap wall in the family room is a beautiful focal point for this space. There's also a built-in desk area right off the family room, which is the perfect spot to do a little work or some homework. The triple split floor plan of this home is absolutely perfect for a busy household. In the front of the house, we have a den. We also have 2 secondary bedrooms and a full bath. The master suite is located on the first floor and has beautiful hardwood floors, 2 separate closets, a beautiful bathroom, and one of my favorite features of this house is that the larger master suite closet actually connects directly to the laundry room. The upstairs of this home features a very large bonus room and the 4th bedroom and 4th full bathroom. It's an absolutely perfect space for a playroom, a game room, or a separate living room area. And the bedroom upstairs allows for privacy for your guests. Situated on a beautiful, spacious corner lot, this house has loads of curb appeal. With high-end exterior features like the brick paver driveway and tile roof, this home is sure to impress. And if you're looking for a house with low fees, this house has no HOA or CDD. Depending on when you're watching this video, this home may not be available anymore, but if you're interested in the CARROLLWOOD area, I would love to give you more information about the housing opportunities available at the time that you're looking. If you're interested in moving to the Tampa Bay area, or if you want to look at some more house tours, check out the rest of my channel. I have a bunch of information on there about the buying and selling process and moving to Florida. I also have some house tours on there as well. Thank you all for touring this lovely home with me. I'll catch you next time. With love, Melanie.